is Mridul and welcome back to my channel and welcome to Diwalog 2018. So for today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys my nighttime routine. This is like the current nighttime routine. You guys really enjoyed my morning routine, my college edition morning routine. So I thought why not share with you guys my current nighttime routine. Before we get started with today's video, I just want to let you guys know that tomorrow's video is going to be like a really special video. I've been working on something for like 8 months now and I'm going to finally be announcing it. So do watch out for tomorrow's video, and having said that, let's just get started with today's video. So once I'm back home or done with a shoot, the first 3 things that I always do are, the first thing is I get rid of my jewelry. The second thing is I change into something comfortable, because for the most part I'm wearing something really uncomfortable throughout the day. And the third thing is to get rid of my makeup. This is like the most satisfying feeling ever, having like a clean face. And in order to get rid of my makeup, I use this Bioderma's micellar water. Now usually I like to wash my face first and then use the micellar water, but on this particular occasion I was wearing eyelashes, so when I'm wearing eyelashes I like to use the makeup remover first and then go ahead and clean my face. Once I'm done with my makeup removal, or so I think I am done, I like to head to the bathroom. The first thing that I like to do is obviously get my hair out of my face into a bun, and that's how it's going to be for the rest of the night. Wash my hands because I'm not going to be touching those dirty hands on my face. And then finally, in order to double cleanse my face and really get rid of all the makeup, I like to use a face wash. Of course, I'm going to be using my regular Himalaya Neem face wash to cleanse my face and get rid of all the makeup that is remaining in my pores. And before I leave, I like to use this face wash kind of like a mask. I use this in the morning as well. It is recommended to me by my doctor and I'm supposed to keep it on for 10 to 15 minutes. So while the mask is drying on my face and really getting soaked in, I like to work on cleaning my room. Now when you initially saw my room, it looked clean, right? And that's because I do it intentionally. I like to leave certain parts of my room super clean because those will be seen in the backgrounds of videos. But I tend to collect a lot of junk and dirt on my study table. So that is definitely the first thing that I like to clean off. I really try to clean my room every single day before going to sleep, because by the end of the day, it is a mess. Because I've said this before, my room is not only my bedroom, it's also kind of like my studio. By the way, if you want to watch like a detailed video of me cleaning my room or giving you tips and tricks, I do have a video on that. I will link it in the description box below. But once I'm done with the basic cleaning, I like to move on to my mail. So I feel so grateful to be able to receive so many parcels, but when you get that many parcels, you need to put them away, otherwise they accumulate and create such a mess. So I try to do this almost every day or every other day. So on this particular day, I received this huge parcel from Shein. I didn't even order it, they just sent it as kind of like a Diwali gift, and I'm just going through it, but I don't really put it away because I don't have it in me today. But usually I do tend to keep it all away. And once I'm done going through my parcels and putting everything away, I like to go ahead and make my bed. By making my bed, all I mean is just open it up, because it is a sofa cum bed. So I like to close it when I'm cleaning my room because it gives me more space. But once I'm done cleaning, I like to open my bed, just fix the pillows and put things away that don't belong on my bed. Switch on my fairy lights because that is kind of like an indication to me that the day is over and I need to unwind. Now once the bed is made, if I have any sort of energy left in me, I will go through my bag. So whenever I have a shoot, I usually carry suitcases with me or like big bags. On this particular day, the bag was pretty small, so I like to go through that bag and just figure out what needs to be washed and what doesn't, because I do need to do a lot of laundry almost every other day. Once I'm done with all the cleaning and sorting, I like to head back to the bathroom and wash the face mask that has been sitting on my face for like 20 minutes, wash my feet because I'm going to be jumping onto my bed, and I make sure to wash my feet before going on my bed. For the most part, I do my skincare sitting on my bed because I'm just so tired. So today my skin was doing well, so I didn't have to do much. I just applied a spot treatment. I will talk about all the products that I use on my face in like a skincare video, so I'm not specifically mentioning what I use. After which I like to grab my notebook, and this is the notebook in which I draft my videos, script my videos, plan ahead. So that is what I like to do at night. And also I like to make make to-do lists at night for the next day, just so that I'm a little bit more prepared mentally for what is about to happen the next day. So I make sure to do that at night before jumping onto YouTube. So once I'm finally done with all the writing work, I like to watch some YouTube videos. Not only do I make YouTube videos, but I am a huge consumer of YouTube videos. I love watching them. Probably that is why I like to make them as well. But yeah, I like to watch a lot of YouTube and just catch up on everything that has been happening throughout the day. So while I'm watching my YouTube videos, I like to grab this box which is right next to my bed, and that has all of like my creams and everything that I immediately need. So I try to apply cream on my feet and hands. I most definitely don't do that every single day, but I'm trying to make it a habit. And finally, after spending hours on YouTube, I decide it's time to go to bed, and I call it a night. And yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, subscribe and click on the little bell to get notified. Don't forget to come back tomorrow for the special announcement. Also, if you guys have any guesses, let me know in the comments down below. And follow me on my Instagram because I'm leaving quite a few hints on Instagram, so you should follow me there. And I'll see you tomorrow. Bye!